What is that one thing that you can do to completely elevate your yoga practice today? It's not a what, it's a how. And you don't need a mat or anything else to do this. You can be standing or sitting comfortably. Wherever you're at, place your right hand on your belly, left hand on your chest. Breathe in through the nose and notice, does your belly move underneath your right hand, or does your chest move underneath your left hand? Yeah, it's a trick question. The answer is both. So let's get more specific with this, because learning this can change not just your yoga practice immediately, but also everything you do in your life. So your lungs, I discovered some people think your lungs are in your belly. They are not. Your diaphragm does move down when you breathe in and then comes up when you breathe out. I mean, you could talk for 20 minutes exactly how the breath really moves. For now, let's breathe in through the nose. Feel the belly moving out into your right hand, lifting upward all the way through the chest, up through your left hand, and then on the exhale, the opposite happens. You'll feel your left hand go down, right hand go in. That's why our hands are there. They're not doing anything. They're there for feeling. So go again. And so here we're paying attention to our breathing through our front body. And nobody's looking. So you can let your belly go out. And let that breath be big. As big on the inhale as it is on the exhale. But our lungs weren't designed like that. They inflate. They don't just go one direction. So let's purposely, consciously feel the breath moving up and down and forward and back. And now breathe into your back body and the front body and up and down. And see how the breath is bigger? Can move more air this way. That's how we're designed to breathe. And then moving outward, laterally. So you'll notice sometimes when you get tense, or maybe always, you're breathing only in through your chest. And what happens is, because the lungs weren't designed to breathe that way, something's got to help. And so our SCM, these neck muscles here, the sternoclaviomastoid muscles, are going to engage and just work like they're breathing for us. And they get very tight and tense because they weren't designed for that, poor things, but they're trying to help. And so we get headaches, neck aches, shoulder pain. And so what we're doing right now, as you continue to breathe in this way, we're repatterning our breathing so that when we get into stressful situations, we won't just take this sharp inhale through our chest and hold our breath, because that tells the body something's wrong, tense, tense, tense. And then because we're not breathing this deep breath, the diaphragm's not being able to go down and engage with the pelvic floor, that means that we could have digestive issues, all sorts of things down in that area as well. So you're taking care of your health by just focusing on your breathing just for a few minutes. Your eyes can be open or closed, doesn't matter. You don't need to do anything else. Focusing on these 6 directions. So the breath moving up and down, forward and backward in, and out to both sides and in. Notice how that is changing your body physically, Focusing on your thoughts, your feelings, how are those changing? You feel more embodied, connected with your body, in your body. Now let's see if we can do that. Hands on your thighs, palms face up, without that kinesthetic feeling of the hands. Deep breaths. It's something you can do at any time, wherever you are. No one needs to know that you're doing it. Reconnecting with your breath, with your body, feeling grounded, centered, balanced. You can stay here as long as you like, as long as you have, and continuing to breathe in and out through your nose. Fold your hands together in front of your heart when you're ready, and then allow your eyes to close and really allow yourself the time, because you're setting a new memory. This is important. So really focus on how much better you feel already. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, and also remember to click like on this video. It lets me know that I'm doing a good job and you would like more content like this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.